Oh, you're recording. Oh my. Hi. I'm just your friendly family butcher. Yes, your friendly family butcher. And these veterinarians, man, vegetarians and vegans, they be crazy, I tell you, crazy. They are crazy. They are so crazy. They want to put me out of business. They are gonna cost me my job. What's that you say? I could just grow the crops? Ooh, me scared of change. I'm from a rural region and we are scared of new things and change. Ooh, that's a tough one. They're saying I could just grow the crops instead of the animals, harvesting the animals. Harvesting, yes. Ooh, I don't know. I've been used to being the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Oh my. I thought it was a mass, not a massacre like a church. Ooh, and they think I'm crazy for hanging heads on my wall like a taxidermist. Well, I taxidermied my wife so I don't forget her. Man, she passed away in my dungeon. Ooh, that way I can remember her, and sometimes I even put her in my bed next to me, but she's getting a little rotten. But these vegetarians, they be crazy. I tell you, crazy. They want me to go out of business, and now they're saying I could just grow the crops. And you're saying that I'm feeding America, man. I am feeding the people. I'm helping people. But he's saying that I am contributing to world hunger and food waste because most of the crops are being fed to force-bred animals. And they're pooping out most of the crops. And it takes 15 pounds of corn and grain for just 1 pound of meat. So he's saying that I am contributing to world hunger and food waste. Oh my, I thought I was feeding people. Oh my. So you're saying just grow the crops and make the vegan products instead. Oh no. Anyways, I treat my animals like family. Yes, family. And they say I treat them poorly. No, I treat them like family. Except we have those city slickers. Tricked. Yes, those city slickers are tricked because we show TV commercials with a nice red barn and a family farm when most animals are billions and billions because most eat about 35 land animals a year and most are birds from horrible factory farms. Oh wow, we don't tell them that. Oh shh. We want them to believe the TV commercials, happy red barns. And there's next to no regulations or enforcement. Oh well, you don't tell anyone. Shh. Anyways, don't look up the factory farm videos. They don't know that we cage them in these tiny little cages for the birds. They live in a life in misery in these little cages. We drug them, we debeak them, we castrate the piggies. We castrate them. And we debeak tail and ear dock. And force breed and brand them. So we don't want them to know that. We do all that. Anyways. You saying the forced breeding is bestiality? Or we stick it on condom to get them pregnant in a rape rack? That's not bestiality, that's a sin bestiality. Oh no, dairy is scary and then we kill the calves and torture them for veal. Oh wow, dairy is scary I guess, but bestiality is a sin. I guess that is bestiality. Basically, breastfeeding from other species. Ooh. Well, shellfish, he's saying, is a sin too. Eating shellfish, lobster, boiled alive, crabs, and shrimp, that's a sin too. Ooh, let's just ignore those ones. Animals don't have souls anyways. They're just like rocks. So we can kill the calves and steal the milk. and cheese. But again, city slickers, we treat our animals like family. Yes, believe that, like the TV commercials with the red Vaughn. Oh my, oh my. Anyways, I just wanted to say that they wanted to take away my grandpappy's slaves. Well, workers, yeah, that's it, workers. And now they're trying to take away our animals. That is not right. Don't put me out of business, you vegans. I am not going to grow the crops. Anyways, I just wanted to say we treat them like family, except we just don't kill our family. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. They saying this is wrong. Ooh. Yes, this was outside of Houston, Texas. A&M. Haha, missing. I'm a milk carton. Oh, see, they're the crazy ones, not me. What do we have here? Oh, that was my wife before I taxidermied her after she had a mysterious death. Oh, I'm being constipated. I'm constipated from eating too many animals. Oh, my heart hurts. I don't want to be a zombie or dead like her. Taxidermy. Ooh, yummy. I could eat that raw, like roadkill. Ha ha. What do we got here? Number 600. Please do not share a factory farm video to scare your friends into changing. Oh, here's how they raise the eggs in tiny battery cages. The females live in these for their life, the size of a fire drawer. A bird. And we grind the males alive, because they won't lay eggs and are not the type for cooked flesh. Anyways, they look tasty. I could almost eat the paper. Actually, the little chicks, they can be on a bun. And we eat dozens of them a year, and all of them are from factory farms. But we lie, show happy family farms, and label things with nice, humane. Anyways, here's my new rug. I shot him in Africa. And let me have a smoke. Oh, oops. Oops, it's not a cigarette. I'm sorry, that's not a cigarette. Anyways, I just wanted to say that do not share a factory farm video, please. Please do not do that. I am not the crazy one. It's the vegans. We treat our animals like family. Thank you.